Here's a fully 3D printed tiny winter getaway, complete with a chimney, frosted roof, and that perfect holiday vibe. It was printed in 2 colors, a rich wooden tone for the walls and bright white for the snow-covered roof. Tree supports were used for all overhangs, and here's the satisfying part: removing them. They are flexible and easy to peel away without damaging the model. And here it is, the cozy winter cabin, a simple, fun print that looks amazing once those supports are gone. Perfect as a shelf piece, desk decor, or part of a 3D printed winter village. Printing this snowy cabin generated a lot of waste. A lot of color changes happened during this print. Here's the prime tower, which was printed to purge old filament and ensure smooth color transitions. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. This is what it looks like in Bambu Studio. Here, you can already spot the tree supports forming under the roof. It took about 10 hours to get this print done with a 0.28mm layer height. Want to make your own? The STL is free to download. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.